In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create checks QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the entire process step by step so you feel confident creating checks correctly every time. Go ahead and sign into your QuickBooks Online account, and once you're on your main dashboard, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled New with a plus sign. This is where you start almost any new transaction in QuickBooks. Click that New button to open the menu of options. From the list that appears, look for the option labeled Check. Select Check, and this will open a new check form. Think of this screen as the digital version of a paper check, with spots for who you're paying, which bank account it's coming from, and what it's for. At the top of the form, you'll see a field labeled Payee. Click in that field and choose the person or vendor you're paying. If they're already in your QuickBooks vendor or payee list, just select their name. If they aren't in the system yet, you can add them so your records stay organized. Next, choose the bank account that the money will come from. This is important, especially if you have more than one checking or savings account connected to QuickBooks. Use the bank account dropdown and select the correct account so the check reduces the right balance. Now fill in the key details of the check. Start with the mailing address. This is especially important if you plan to print and mail the check because the address you enter here will print on the check. Double-check that it's accurate so it reaches the right person. Then review the payment date. QuickBooks will usually default to today's date, but you can adjust it if you're backdating a check or planning it for a future date. You'll also see a field for the check number. If you're recording a handwritten check that you've already written, type the number from the physical check so your bank records and QuickBooks stay in sync. If you plan to print this check from QuickBooks later, leave the check number field blank and select the option to print later. QuickBooks will assign the number when you print. Scroll down to the Category Details or Item Details section. Here, choose the correct expense account that this payment should be recorded to. Add a short description so you remember what the payment was for, and enter the amount. If you want more context for future reporting, you can also add a memo. Once everything looks correct, go to the bottom right and decide how you want to finish. Click Save and Close if you're done, or Save and New if you need to create another check right away.